Stop trading your time for pennies. In 2026, the gap between being broke and making your first $1,000 online is just one word: AI. Most people are using ChatGPT for fun, but the smart ones? They're using it to build empires. Today, I'm showing you the exact roadmap to go from $0 to $1,000 using 3 hidden AI power tools.
First up is 11 Labs. In 2026, the creator economy is all about high-quality audio. You don't need an expensive mic or a perfect accent. With 11 Labs, you can generate human-like American English narrations that are indistinguishable from real people. How to monetize it? Go to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and offer voiceover services for YouTube channels, audiobooks, or corporate ads. Alternatively, start your own faceless YouTube channel, just like this one, and reach millions of English-speaking viewers without ever saying a word yourself. That's your first step toward that $1,000 goal.
Next, we have Leonardo.ai. Visuals are everything in the digital world. Whether it's a unique logo for a startup or high-end digital art for a blog, businesses are paying top dollar for AI-generated assets. The strategy: create print-on-demand designs for Etsy or Redbubble. You can design stunning posters, t-shirts, or even book covers in seconds. One viral design can easily net you hundreds of dollars in passive income. Remember, consistency is the key here. The more you create, the more you earn. Finally, let's talk about the big player: in-video AI. Video content is the king of social media. This tool allows you to turn a simple text prompt into a full-fledged video with stock footage, music, and subtitles. The Hustle offer short-form content editing services to US-based influencers and small businesses. They are desperate for TikToks and YouTube Shorts, but don't have the time to edit them. By using AI to automate the process, you can handle 5 to 10 clients at once, bringing you well past that $1,000 mark faster than you ever thought possible.
Going from $0 to $1,000 isn't a dream, it's a process. Use these tools, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found value in this breakdown, hit the like button and let me know in the comments which tool you're starting with today. I'm here to help you navigate the future of finance. I'm Monetize, and I'll see you in the next one.